But in terms of followers, know who say we day, who say we belong. Like in terms of like what I can say, you get problem. Who say if you go lay complain, or not get her.
We see them when the opening boss just with the back. What's not the problem?
They boss them, they don't do for service. For school lock, we don't pass behind them for let the service the boss. What they tell you, they say money no day, money no carry, money no day, ministry no send money. Tell school open so. The first week when school open, we know. The second week, if we say that they can't service week, they say pull the boss, the 6 boss them. Now 6 boss we pull. We work the first week. Second week, they say pull all the boss them. We pull all the boss them. I work say who stay with the service? They say we go on the service Saturday now 3 Saturdays don't pass through.
How risky the boss then away?
The boss they don't begin lazy.
Sierra Leoneans.
Hello, my family. Baba Sheikh, the political offender, with another edition of the program, CLIN. Well, my family, this particular topic is very, very important, and for the educational sector, Ministry of Education una take note, and the authorities them way concerned, or the sectors of government way concerned about this particular issue, let them take note and do something about it fast. Well, the school bus drivers, them we based na Freetown, don't raise concern on their welfare and the maintenances of the bus them. So, my family, let me listen to this report.
I'm Musa Mansare, I'm a chief driver for the school bus driver Freetown branch. Constraints beaucoup since 2019 when they allocated buses there by districts. We've fortunate for fall in Freetown, western area, to get 12 buses. These 12 buses are cancelled on the management. They don't play their own parts. We they play their own parts. But in terms of followers, they know who say we day, who say we belong. Like in terms of like what I can say, you get problem. Who say if you go lay complain, or not get her.
We see them when the opening boss just with the back. What's not the problem?
They boss them, they don't do for service. For school lock, we don't pass behind them for let the service the boss. What they tell you, they say money no day, money no carry, money no day, ministry no send money. Tell school open so. The first week when school open, we know. The second week, if we say that they can't service week, they say pull the boss, the 6 boss them. Now 6 boss we pull. We work the first week. Second week, they say pull all the boss them. We pull all the boss them. I work say who stay with the service? They say we go on the service Saturday now 3 Saturdays don't pass through.
How risky the boss then away?
The boss they don't begin lazy. A risk to the pikin there, a risk to the motorcar. Because the motorcar not can street for pay the pikin there. That pikin they don't so used to them boss there. Some picking that money if you cannot street, you not see them, but if they go back now, some picking papa they get 2 leon, pay 1 leon go, pay 1 leon come. Take today, but how fair price they go up now 1 leon they take. So if they can't not be the boss there because of the boss, and no service they will pack there, that's what it go happen. The picking no go school, so they risk it for the picking there. If we pack the boss there, well they don't due per them motor there. Any motor way up their money where charge it well, it lights, it don't due. We don't go with them. They don't do for service, but they don't do service there.
Me na Momo Lansana, me na school bus driver, deputy. And with the strain, na picking them with the work out. We send a Sierra Leonean there. So we try for cry to Papa government because now we call the school bus, then they take they go train we in a corporation. We can't inside the school bus. We don't know destination. We just they ride this bus. Mm-hmm. The other issue, like where you didn't a working place, you get that your medical facility, we not get that. When we season the car, now under rain with the come out, we can't take them picking them. Sometimes with the soak. Pass through the day inside the bus now, that close the all drive away. Now only this year as he say cancel, they try, they give me 1 rain boot and 1 taffeta with itself. But since we they ride this school bus here, we not ever get a facility there. So now I mean all the year with the cry to Papa government, do ya let them look now we did. We self na Sierra Leonean.
Well, we all know say the government be done well for come with them buses then they in order for ease the transportation issue for picking them where they go school. But we all know you waiting the drivers then don't say about their own welfare. And the welfare they mean say then say forget side like if they're sick or something happen with them, then get side or particular thing where they take care of them. And the most important thing again is about the maintenance of the buses. And then if maintenance not there for them buses, then they now so the bus then go abandon them like how the last government said be abandon the other buses, then we then say we come with. The authorities then we concern. let them try do something about this. We only hear where the drivers and they say the bosses they're all lazy. And if the bosses they're all lazy, they need to try for maintenance them, and then they very, very dangerous for let them go there na the streets they run. So it's high time for the authorities we concern or the sector we concern but them bosses they are let them do something about this. This now one of the things where they make we country they go behind. We try for come with new projects them, but we lack maintenance. That's not our problem. If with the maintenance, all the good things them where the government then they do, I believe say then they go keep that particular sector they moving. So it's high time for the government do something about maintenance, not to just for them bosses they are. Even in every sector of the government where they know say then they deal with machinery or things that we need for maintenance, government for the maintenance them in order for letting thing and they go last long. And I get another story again where I go pass on to now where some policemen and go now one preparatory school now the eastern part of Freetown where they go cause violence, they will make the pikin them panic, the teachers they all panic. Me family how are they get the news now so I go they pass them on to now. Until next time, this is Baba Check the Political Offender with another edition of the program Don't Clean. Namidi say tata.
This not just up for music,
Sweet music production.
don't clean up. And the program this, where they educate you, don't clean up. And the program this, where they inform you, don't clean up. And the program this, where they entertain you, don't clean, don't clean, don't clean. And the program this, don't clean, don't clean. I say this program not for me and you, because it entertain you. This program had to inform you. It entertain you. Oh yeah. This program had to inform you. Yes, it inform you. All the daily things them where they happen now we country. Baba Check there for inform you. All the daily happenings where they go on now we country. Baba Check just entertain you. Tell me say Kokoriko. Before long go, so you have to wake up. Tell me say Kokoriko. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. I say this program damn too nice. It entertaining from you too. Baba Check keep program damn too nice. Oh, it entertain me. Don't clean up. And the program this, where they educate you. Don't clean up.